Hey everyone, it's Joe. Welcome back to the channel. Grab your notebook, your sketchbook, your journals because today we are just going to be doodling and having fun in our journals. Today's journaling session is a little bit different because I was actually just doodling in my Midori Traveler's notebook, and I thought I might as well just film it and do a journal with me for this spread just because I was having so much fun drawing these strawberries. These are just a whole bunch of strawberries in different pink shades with fun kind of hairstyles using the green tops of the strawberries as the hair. And I know we tend to anthropomorphize a lot of things in art. Like we like to put faces on everything, which I think is really cute. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing here, and I like it. I'm trying to try out different styles, and I used to steer away from all the cute and cutesy illustration styles, but I don't know, I really like it, so I'm just gonna try things out. And this was really fun. I was using a whole bunch of markers. I had the Tombow dual tip markers, I had a few koi markers, and I had a Posca paint pen in white, and I had a few mild liners. And it was fun because I'm really enjoying markers right now. I purchased a whole bunch of markers back in 2014, and I still have them, and I don't really use them very often. They are even nice quality ones. They are the Copic ones, and I have yet to use them, so hopefully I kind of get more comfortable with using markers again because it's a cool medium that I want to explore. And this was fun because I also received a whole bunch of Tombow dual tip markers for Christmas and my birthday. And I initially loved the Tombow markers because you would use them for calligraphy and lettering. And now that I'm more comfortable with lettering and calligraphy, I don't use the Tombow markers as much because I like the versatility of the Fudenosuke or like other like brush tipped markers, just because they're smaller and you don't need to use such a big felt nib to create your lettering. So I've been liking these Tombow markers because you can actually use them for coloring and doing other art. And I feel like the Tombows have been kind of cornered into that brush lettering marker market, but yeah, they're totally awesome for a whole bunch of other things. And yeah, I hope you guys are all doing fine. I feel like I've been kind of MIA on all social media as of late. I've been really bad at replying to the comment section, which I apologize. I will respond to the comments soon. I've just been feeling a little bit odd and down recently. I'm not sad or anything. I just feel a little bit bogged down that I'm still sick. As you can hear, I still have a clogged nose, and I feel like all of 2019, like for the first 2 months, I've been pretty much sick since January till now, which is not fun. But I'm recovering. I feel a lot better. It's just a runny nose now. But yeah, still hard to breathe through my nose. So if I am intensely breathing like Darth Vader, I apologize. But yeah, that's what I've been up to. School has been cool. School as in work has been good. And then school as in postgraduate stuff. Graduate stuff has been good. Yeah, I feel like 2020 has been all right, but I don't know. It's kind of scary at the same time. There's been a lot of things happening in the world, and a lot of health-related stuff happening around the world, which is scary, and political stuff. I don't know. I just feel like very on edge at the same time, and coupled with my own like sickness right now. I'm just like, oh, is the world gonna end? But maybe that's just me. To combat all of that, I've been watching a lot of TED Talks as of late, which has been nice. I finally finished You season 1 and season 2, but I've been binging a lot of Brene Brown stuff, which has been really nice because it's nice to watch something that kind of um, it's not just for enjoyment. You can actually learn something from it, and that's what I love about TED Talks. I haven't really watched a whole bunch of TED Talks, but as of late, but recently I've been watching a lot of the Brene Brown stuff, and it's been amazing. I kind of want to buy one of her books, and it's been really helping me kind of navigate my work life and kind of just being more introspective, just because yeah, that's actually what I was watching and listening to while I was creating this spread. And I think more people need to watch her stuff, and her stuff on vulnerability and shame, just because a lot of things stem from those two aspects of life. So I highly recommend watching her TED Talks and her Netflix special. But let me know if you have any recommendations for me to watch, because I'm always down for some self improvement. And also, I need a new TV show to binge. I finished You Season 1 and Season 2, as I said earlier, but now I am kind of like running out of things to watch. I've been watching a few like YouTube stuff, but I kind of want to get back into like Korean dramas or something. So leave me a recommendation down below. I'm sorry, I'm just kind of like babbling and chatting about my life as of late, just because a lot of the strawberries are very repetitive. This is a very repetitive drawing task because you're kind of doing a mural of strawberries. I should probably say that the rough steps are the rough steps are to create the strawberry are drawing the strawberry base and then leaving a center that is unfilled with color, adding the cheeks or the blush, and then I would work on the green leaves or the tops of the strawberries, and then I would go in with the face, and then lastly I would use an accent color to add the seeds. So I would use like a white Posca paint pen, or I would use a white gel pen, or even just like a contrasting color, or like a darker color of pink to add the seed color. And that's pretty much it. I'm kind of just like adding finishing touches now. I'm adding the seeds, which is the fun part of the spread. And this actually kind of helped me work on like facial expressions, just because I don't really draw faces very often. And I know these are just like simple cartoony faces, but it's just nice to like explore different things and how eyebrows can change expression so much. That's one thing that I learned from this spread. Just adding different eyebrow shapes just makes a face look so different. But that's my little spiel about what I've been doing on the screen. In terms of Job's Journal Etsy store stuff, I have some kind of sad news. I don't think I'll be able to restock the Torn Edges washi tape until a little bit later, just because of all the health concerns happening in Asia right now. My manufacturer said it might just be better just not to put in an order right now, just because of the volatility of the market right now and how unpredictable everything is. So I'm just gonna hold off on ordering right now, and that sucks because I was so excited to receive them, but they haven't gone into production just because after Chinese New Year, or during Chinese New Year, all of the like manufacturers in Asia kind of took a break. So I am just gonna put a pause on that, but I'll keep everyone updated. I'm gonna try and focus on creating more sticker packs and sticker sheets soon, because that's something that I create by myself in my home. So that's something that I'll probably be doing. But this is a completed spread. Sorry, I kind of just switched subjects right there, but this is the completed spread. I hope you enjoyed this. I know I was just rambling about my life, but it's kind of nice. You guys are kind of like my therapy session. I get to just like babble and talk about my life, and I hope that wasn't too annoying for you. But I hope you had fun journaling with me, and I hope you got something from this. I want to see what your angry or sad strawberries look like. Maybe I'll do like a series of different fruits with facial expressions, just because it's so fun. Maybe bananas will be next, or mangoes. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you take care and stay healthy. interesting time right now, and I hope you stay safe and stay healthy. See you all next time, everyone. Bye.